Lithium Carbonate's Effect on Bipolar Disorder by Ashlyn Scola.
Andy Verlin Clausen.
Rocader, and Sierra Hoyt.
What is lithium carbonate? Lithium carbonate is a stabilizing medication mainly used to treat bipolar disorder. It helps reduce symptoms of acute mania, which include elevated mood, high energy, and impulsive behavior. It works best for preventing future manic episodes and long-term treatment, and is often combined with other medications to treat bipolar disorder. This medication was approved by the FDA in 1970.
How was it discovered? Lithium was first discovered in 1817 by John August Afersine while he was studying a mineral called Pedialyte. He named the element lithium based on the Greek word for stone. In the 1850s, doctors tried using lithium salts to treat gout, but the treatment didn't work and was considered unsafe, so it was abandoned. The major breakthrough came in 1949 when psychiatrist John Cade was experimenting with lithium on guinea pigs and noticed it had a calming effect. He then tested it on patients with mania, and it significantly reduced their symptoms. This discovery led to lithium becoming the first true mood stabilizing medication in psychiatry. In 1970, the FDA officially approved lithium carbonate for treating bipolar disorder, and it's still widely used today.
What is bipolar disorder? Bipolar disorder is a chronic mental health condition. Bipolar 1 is characterized by extreme mood swings between episodes of mania, a state of extreme mood elevation, increased energy, decreased need for sleep, and commonly also psychotic symptoms, and episodes of depression. Bipolar 2 is characterized by episodes of hypomania, a less severe form of mania, alternating with episodes of depression.
How lithium helps. It competes with other electrolytes for binding sites, which allows lithium to influence the function of ion channels and pumps, therefore altering brain chemistry. It regulates the levels of calcium released from endoplasmic reticulum storage by increasing BCl2 levels. It stimulates antioxidant defense mechanisms to decrease oxidative stress and DNA damage. It modulates the release of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine to stabilize these levels and prevent extreme fluctuations. Our key figure. In the figure shown, the orange targets are mainly pro-apoptic proteins like glycogen synthase kinase 3 or GSK3, which means they initiate and execute cell death. Lithium either downregulates these proteins or decreases their expression. Anti-apoptotic proteins are shown in blue. Lithium increases their expression, which induces neuroprotective effects, therefore stabilizing the person's mood.
Why are we interested? Um, we're interested because lithium carbonate is typically the first line treatment for bipolar disorder due to its effectiveness at stabilizing mood, and drastically reducing the risk of suicide in patients. Um, Additionally, um, we all want to be nurses, and nurses commonly encounter and treat patients with bipolar disorder. So understanding bipolar disorder and also the most common medication used to treat it is really important in ensuring proper care for our patients that have this disorder. And also, we're interested because it relates closely to our course material, due to its complex chemical interactions within the brain, but also because it's the formation of the lithium carbonate compound necessitates an understanding of ionic bonding, chemical formulas, and elemental properties based on periodic groups, and periods. So to form the compound, two lithium cations bond ionically to the polyatomic um, anion carbonate, um, which forms Li2CO3.
These are our exam questions. First, what kind of bipolar disorder does lithium help treat? Second, what kind of metal is lithium and how many valence electrons does it have? For the first one, lithium helps treat acute episodes of bipolar disorder like mania, depression, and rapid cycling. Second, lithium is an alkali metal and has one valence electron. And then these were our references.